YouTube? This is the Man7431 coming back again with another video, and I'm going to show you guys how to be able to play your PlayStation Vue content smoothly with no lag, no pausing, no buffing, no black screens. I'm going to show you how to do this very, very easily. But there's something that you need to know before we get started. If you don't have high-speed internet, this is not going to work for you. Now, PlayStation recommends that you guys have at least 10 megabits per second upload speed or higher. Okay? If you have less than 10 megabits per second, then this is not going to work properly for you. And these are the reasons why you guys are experiencing a lot of lag, a lot of buffing, a lot of black screens, a lot of pausing. So if you want to be able to keep the PlayStation Vue and for everything to run smoothly, I highly recommend you guys calling your internet provider and having them increase your upload speed to 10 megabits or higher for it to be able to stream live cable TV and the TV show on demand. Okay? Now, for those of you guys that do have 10 megabits per second high speed upload, then you're pretty much good to go. Now, a lot of people have been messaging me and saying that they still have been experiencing a little bit of lag, a black screen here and there. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix those issues. And it's very, very easy. And I don't understand why PlayStation hasn't told you guys how easy it is to be able to fix these little issues that you have. So let me go ahead and get out of this screensaver mode here. And there's two ways you can fix that issue. So if you go down to settings, and let's just say that sometimes you go into the PlayStation Vue app and it kicks you out several times. And for a lot of people that can get very annoying. Or let's just say you get the lag, the black screen, the buffing. I'm going to show you how to fix that. If you go into applications, I got to put my password in. And one of the ways you can fix that is you can go down to where the application is, click on it, and scroll all the way down to Clear Coach. If you clear Coach, that should clear it out to where everything should load up freshly through the PlayStation Vue app. So you shouldn't get any more lag, any more buffing. Everything should play through smoothly after you do that. Okay? And another thing that I definitely recommend you guys do after you do that is to back out of there and go into Systems and restart it. Okay? Now I'm going to do this live so you guys can check all of this out. Because I know in the comments, a lot of people are going to comment and say, I did all this and I'm still having issues. Well, you shouldn't have any issues anymore once you clear the coach in the PlayStation app. And once you restart the system, it should load up perfectly and your streams should start up again perfectly without any pausing, buffing, black screens. You should be good to go. If you're still having those issues, like I said before, what it is that your upload speeds aren't fast enough and you need to do a speed test on your computer or on your smartphone or whatever, and do a speed test and see where your upload speeds are. Now, if you're supposed to be at 10 megabits per second upload and you're only getting 5 and 6, then you need to call your internet provider so they can figure out that issue, so they can fix that for you, so you can be able to stream your PlayStation Vue content very smoothly and easily without any issues. So let's go ahead and go into the PlayStation Vue app now after I just cleared the coach and restarted it. And what should happen is what's going on with mine right now.
Slam dunk. See no evil. All new. Tuesday at 9 on Investigation Discovery.
Wednesday on the all-new Murder You, Stanford University, Alabama.
It's a place where you feel safe.
The debate team ruled campus.
I don't know how many places we give the debate team a standing ovation.
But with national championships within reach, pressure mounts.
You're losing it. If you can't handle it, go.
You're always working.
Susan, stop.
And someone reaches a deadly breaking point.
It's just horrible. It was described as a bloodbath.
Murder You, all new, Wednesday at 9, only on Investigation Discovery.
Okay, so I just paused that, guys. Didn't want that to run for an extremely long time. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys quick, easy way to fix the buffing issues, the pausing of your live content that you're watching, the black screens, the pausing of the content that you're watching. Like I said, if your speeds are 10 megabits per second upload, then you shouldn't have any issues. But if you do, just go through, clear the coach, restart. You should be good to go. And for you guys that are continuing to have these problems, I guarantee you your internet speed as far as upload is not high enough. And all you got to do is call your internet provider and tell them that you need to bump your upload speeds to at least 10 megabits or higher so you can be able to watch your PlayStation Vue content without the buffing, without the pausing, without the black screen, and all the other headaches that come with that. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know if this fixed your issues. Subscribe to this channel so you can continue to get more really good content like you're seeing now. And that's about it, guys. This is the man 7431 signing out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.